So let me show you guys how to install the current version of VirtualBox on Windows 11. So first, open your browser and search Oracle VirtualBox and press enter. So from here, click on the official link, virtualbox.org. From here, click download. So since we are downloading for Windows, click Windows host and wait for the file to be downloaded. So our download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. Click yes. So it's preparing to install. So our setup. So click next. So from here, agree with the user license agreement. So click I accept and click next. So click next. So our file will be installed in this location. But if you want to change your directory, you can click change and select the place that you want your file to be installed. So from here, click next. Click yes. Yes again. And click next. Now it's ready to install. Click install and wait for the VirtualBox to be installed. You can see that we have created our desktop shortcut for Oracle VirtualBox and click finish. So when we click finish, we'll open our VirtualBox. No problem. And you can see that we have successfully installed and opened our VirtualBox on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.